Wow, Grandpa, look at this space. The living room looks so beautiful and incredibly clean now. You worked very hard this morning, dear. Please drink some fresh juice and
Hello, everyone. Today is a bright morning, and I am cleaning the living room. Let's do this together. Our sofa. The cushions are very messy today. I need to arrange them. I fluff the cushions right now. This makes them look soft, big, and very neat. There is a newspaper on the wooden coffee table. It looks untidy. Let's pick it up. I fold the newspaper carefully. Fold means to bend something neatly. Now it is small. This is my yellow dusting cloth. We always use a soft cloth to clean dry dust. I wipe the table with the yellow cloth. Look at the wood surface. Now it is completely clean. Next, I dust the wooden bookshelf. There are many books here, and they need regular care too. I push the glass window open gently. This helps us get some fresh air inside the house.
The morning breeze comes inside the room. It feels very nice, cool, and wonderful.
I arrange these old books in a straight line. Straight means something that is not bent.
Wow, Grandpa, look at this space. The living room looks so beautiful and incredibly clean now. You worked very hard this morning, dear. Please drink some fresh juice and rest a little.
This fresh juice is delicious. A clean and tidy room always makes me feel happy.
Today we learned these daily words: cushion, newspaper, fold, dusting cloth, wipe, and straight.
Comment below, do you clean your own room every day?
Subscribe to Nana English Daily for more daily slow English stories.